With the help of this video, we will be covering several kinds and forward-thinking devices that have been developed with the express purpose of making life simpler. These 10 gadgets are likely to pique your interest, regardless of whether you are a do-it-yourself enthusiast, a handyman, or simply searching for some fascinating gadgets to add to your collection. We have everything you could need, from a multi-purpose cleaning cloth to a multi-tool that can perform 13 different functions. Now, without further ado, let's have a look at the top 10 amazing devices that are exclusively designed for daily use and available on Amazon. Number 10. Magnet Pickup Tool that extends from the flashlight. The fact that this wonderful instrument has a neck that can be extended and is flexible, magnets in both the base and the head, and 3 LED lights that are exceptionally brilliant makes it an extremely versatile piece of equipment. Is it necessary for you to complete maintenance on your vehicle? After the base has been mounted to the hood, the light can be activated and the hood can be closed. Can you believe that you were able to misplace a screw in an area that is tough to access? There is no need for concern. All that is required of you is to lengthen the neck and then pick it up using the magnetic head's grasp. If you are looking for a present concept for a male, this is the ideal alternative. Number 9. Vacuum cleaner that does not require a cord. Do you desire a straightforward method to maintain the cleanliness of your house and vehicle? You can easily vacuum, inflate, and remove air with this handheld cordless vacuum cleaner, which is a multi-purpose gadget that can do all of these things. Because it has a collection of nozzles that can do many functions, it is capable of performing any task, from cleaning the dirt and trash in your vehicle to pushing air into balloons or boats. In addition to this, it is small and portable, which means that you can store it anywhere, even in the glove box of your car. Think about how convenient it would be to be able to quickly pick up dirt or pet hair without having to lug out a cumbersome bagged vacuum cleaner. Number 8. A cleaning claw that can be used for multiple purposes. This device is equipped with a slender grabberable arm rod that is 118.1 inches in length and can be extended and retracted. It is capable of removing even the smallest particles from regions, angles, and channels that are difficult to access. This device can access all of the difficult-to-reach tiny bent locations because of its heavy-duty spring construction, which features a flexible and bendable wound steel spring-loaded cable. Additionally, the retractable claws on the bottom of the device make it simple to retrieve small and non-porous things that magnets are unable to retrieve. Because of its flexibility, the barbed wand can be bent into a wide variety of strainers and pipes, making it an ideal tool for removing clumped hair, food, waste, and other blockages. Number 7. Dent Puller with a car. Getting sick of shelling out money for costly dent repairs? To repair dents on the surface of automobiles, this suction cup instrument was developed from the ground up. Because it comes in 2 distinct sizes and colors, as well as 2 powerful suction levels that can reach up to 165 pounds, our Dent Puller kit can handle any unpleasant automobile dent effectively and straightforwardly. Not only may the suction cup be used to remove dents from automobiles, moreover, it is an excellent tool for moving various objects, including glass, tile, and furniture. You can also use it as a handle for doors or windows, in addition to other applications. Those men who own a car or who prefer doing do-it-yourself projects will appreciate the Car Dent Puller because it is a versatile piece of equipment. Number 6. USB endoscope for phones. Those individuals who need to do maintenance or repairs in regions that are difficult to access will discover that this endoscope is a really useful instrument. Vent pipes, engines, air conditioners, sofa corners, bathtub pipes, toilets, and other restricted locations are ideal for their application because of their narrow and constrained nature. Additionally, in contrast to other USB borescopes that come with soft cables, this one comes with a semi-rigid cable that makes it easier to transmit the cable to a more restricted location. A vivid view of the situation is provided to you by the 720 PhD camera, which has a diameter of 5.5 millimeters and records in high definition. Additionally, it comes with 6 LED lights that can be adjusted to be used in dimly lit areas. Magnetic Wristband Tool Belt at number 5. This revolutionary wristband is equipped with 2 compartments and is embedded with 15 extremely powerful magnets. As a result, it is the ideal companion for professionals, do-it-yourself enthusiasts, and handymen alike. Individuals who are working on repairs at home or on building sites will find it to be an appropriate answer. The strong magnets can hold small metal bits, screws, and other metallic objects securely, giving you a helpful third hand. If you are a home repairman, woodworker, carpenter, auto mechanic, plumber, or general contractor, this wristband will prove to be an extremely valuable addition to your toolset. Number 4. Gloves with LED flashlights. Have you become weary of the fact that you are attempting to do a task with one hand while also holding a flashlight with the other? With these incredible LED flashlight gloves, they will never happen again. There are 2 bright lights on each one, which allows you to see exactly what you are doing. Additionally, they come with Velcro straps that have been stretched so that they may stretch and accommodate the majority of men's and women's fingers and wrists. These gloves are an indispensable tool for a wide range of professionals, including but not limited to handymen, car repairmen, do-it-yourself enthusiasts, engineers, technicians, plumbers, and others. They are suitable for any situation, such as changing a fuse in your home or servicing your vehicle late at night. Number 3. Flashlight Safety Hammer. This is an indispensable instrument for any predicament that may arise in a vehicle. Because it is fitted with a tungsten steel alloy head window breaker and a sharp seat belt cutter, it is simple to make a speedy escape in the event of an accident. A USB input and output interface, a 3-mode LED flashlight, a 2-mode white sidelight, red and blue SOS flashing, and a 3-mode alarm rescue are some of the features that are included in the safety hammer, which is an all-in-one instrument. In addition, this safety hammer is equipped with a magnet that is of high strength, is portable, and can be stored on an iron platform that is embedded beneath the seat. It is possible to rapidly receive assistance or warn other people thanks to the magnets, which function in conjunction with the SOS sidelights and sirens. Number 2. 13-in-1 Multitool. It is the ultimate tool that every guy ought to have, and that item is the 13-in-1 Multitool. This one-of-a-kind accessory for camping and driving can meet 90% of your requirements, regardless of whether you are at home or in the great outdoors. The tool is an all-in-one device that can be utilized for a wide variety of tasks due to its 13 capabilities, which include a hammer, nail claw, screwdriver, hex wrench, saw blade, nail file, flat screwdriver, can opener, fish scaler, bottle opener, and knife. The body of this multi-tool is made of 2Cr13 steel, while the shell is made of aluminum. It is designed to be sturdy while yet being lightweight, which makes it easy to transport in the nylon bag that is supplied. In addition, this multi-tool is an essential item for any person who owns a car. The powerful and heavy-duty rescue hammer that it possesses has the potential to save lives in the event of unforeseen accidents or situations. In addition to that, it is a wonderful present for any male in your life. Number 1. Torch lighter that uses butane. You are looking for a lighter that is just as powerful and spicy as you are. There is now a butane torch lighter available for purchase. As a result of its maximum temperature of 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, this multipurpose torch flame is perfect for welding, in addition to being suitable for conventional baking and sous vide cooking. You can carry it with you wherever you go because of its small size, low weight, and the fact that it can be stored in your pocket. This is because of its powerful jet flames, which allow it to endure any breeze. When you have this fashionable yet potent device by your side, you will know that you are unbeatable. Take immediate action to get this heat-packing buddy to revolutionize the way you ignite and cook daily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.